Welcome back guys, this is Nikhil and in this video let's see how to get emojis using Python. To use emojis in Python code, we need to install a package called Emoji. Say pip install Emoji. After successfully installing the package, open PyCharm and create a new Python file. Let's say emojis or emoji, whatever you like. So, emojis Python file. Now type import emoji and print emoji dot emojis and type with this syntax grinning face and try to run the program. As you can see the output, emoji with a grinning face. And if you don't know emojis names, you can directly use emojis to get their names. To do that, we need to use a method called emojis. Let's do that. Print emoji dot emojis, and to get this emojis keyboard, for Mac users click Ctrl Command space, and for Windows users Windows plus semicolon or Windows plus punctuation mark, either will work. Let's use one of them. Let's say this emoji, and now let's run the program. As you can see, the output is cold face for this emoji. Let's try with the other thing. Let's use this emoji and try printing it. As you can see the output, dog face. We can also get emojis using Unicodes. Let's try print and run the program. As you can see the output, it's again a grinning face. The reason why we are not using Unicodes is it is hard to remember, so that's the reason we are using Python's emoji package. So that's it for the video guys. Please do subscribe.
I'm in love with the cocoa.